Hi, my name is Pamela Lynch. I am a teacher advisor and I teach third grade. In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to add items to your classroom wish list and let parents help fill your classroom with books and teaching resources. You can get to your classroom wish list anytime from the My List menu at the top right corner of the screen. You can add any book to your classroom wish list by clicking this heart icon, select Classroom Wish List, and enter the quantity. I'll add this book from the Quick Look view. Done. And this title I'll add from the Item Detail page. It's really the same process wherever you are on the site. So easy. And if you want to recommend a book to your students, you can do it the same way. Just add it to your recommendations for student lists. Now let's go to a wish list. And here are the 3 titles I just added and the one I recommended. You can also add a note to parents explaining why a particular book is on your list. Just click and write your note. From this page, you can manage all your lists, including changing the quantity, adding the book to a different list, deleting it, or if you want to purchase it, add to cart. When you're ready, just turn the publish switch on to let parents see your list. You're all set. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out other tutorial videos on how to get the most out of Scholastic book clubs.